So here, before I start, I want to clear one thing here. Why I'm making this video actually? In this video, I'm making actually so that some problem is there, through which some teacher may face some problem or some student may face some problem. So here, to clear the doubts, to clear the problem, I made this video. Now, first of all, what is the problem? Once as we have created and also some student has joined our classroom. Now, the problem is where I will show you. Let me click first the classroom app. Once I click classroom app, this page open. You can see here I have created 3 classes, 5, 4 and 6. Now for example, I want to see the student who has joined my classroom. Now when I click class 6, what happened? This page open. Till now I am not giving any assignment or any task to them, so it is empty. Let's not talk about these things now. So when you click at people, you can see so many names are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 names are there. But here some of them you may not recognize that as your student. Why? Because see, they may use the mobile phone of their father, sisters, brother, whatever. The name of their brother or their sister or of their parents may be appear on this list. But to change the name, for example, let me see this second name, SDR. What this name? I don't know. He may be my student, but seeing the name, will you know he or she is your student? No. For to clear this doubt, I want all the students to share this video among the classmates so that they can help the teacher, and also the teacher also to share this video to those students whom they are giving the code, so that they can follow, they can use this step to change their name. Now here I will show how to change the name. Once you have joined the classroom, no problem. You can change the name whether you have joined your classroom or not. So this is for those children who have joined or not joined the classroom. If unknown name, if your father name also may be there, or your brother name also may be there, or your sister name also be there, because you will use their mobile phones or their laptop or desktop, whatever you have. But now here I will show how to change your name of Google account. Now let me show you. Now here you go and search for setting, phone setting option. Okay, I'll search for setting. Once I got the app setting, the icon setting, just click there. Once you click there, if this page appears, just go to Google. When you click on this Google, what happen? This page will appear. So if you want to change the name, just go to manage your Google account. Just click here. Once you click there, what happen? This page will appear with some options: home, personal info, data and personalization. Here you can click personal info. Once you click there, this page will appear. Here you click on this second option, that is name. Nothing to change, don't change anything here. You change only the name. Just click there on your name options. This page appear. Now once this page appear, so you can see the recent name, the recent active name, okay, which is now in your Google account. If you want to change, then click on that particular box and you can change the name by deleting, for example, by deleting the previous name and type the name. So I want all the students to type their own name and last name. Then after typing, you click save. Once you click save, automatically your new name will be saved in your Gmail account, to which teacher can notice it is you, of his or her class. So hope you like this video and also share this video so that other students also may understand and they can help their. And teacher also can share this video so that they can get help from the student on how to change the name, and also they may not face any problem in their upcoming classes. So I hope you like this video and share with all the teachers and students for better online class. So take care, stay safe, and God bless you. Bye.